Remember, the camera is on manual mode. Yes, this is EOS 2000D. We shall update it to the next available firmware, the latest firmware. So we come here, menu, firmware. The current version is 101. So
and the Spirit of God was hovering over the waters. And God said, "Let there be light." And there was light. God saw that the light was good, and he separated the light from the darkness. God called the light day, and the darkness he called night. And there was evening, and there was morning, the first day. And God said,
we shall update it to 101.10.
So God made
And
the vault and separated the water
yes,
under the vault from the water above it.
please make sure you don't
And it was so. God
switch
called
off.
the vault sky. And there was evening, and there was morning, the second day. And God said, "Let the water under the sky be gathered to one place, and let dry ground appear." And it was so. God called the dry ground land, and the gathered waters he called seas. And God saw that it was good. Then God said, "Let the land produce vegetation, seed-bearing plants, and trees on the land that bear fruit with seed in it, according to their various kinds." And it was so. The land produced vegetation, plants bearing seed according to their kinds.
Remember, you must have
Trees bearing fruit with seed in it
a
according to
card
their kinds. And God
empty
saw that it was good.
so as to accommodate the downloaded firmware update.
God said,
It's in zipped
"Let there
file.
be lights in the
You
vault of the
extract
sky
all
to separate the day
files
from the
so that you
night,
can
and let them serve as
proceed
signs to mark
to
seasons
update your camera to the most available
and let there be
latest
light in
firmware.
the vault of the sky
My process is 99% done, and it's complete. I now have an updated version,
the greater light to govern the day, and the
so
lesser light to govern the
I will
night.
press
He also made the
set
stars.
and
God set them in the vault of the sky
welcome
to give light on the earth, to govern
to
the
the
day
new.
and the night, and to separate light from darkness.
Thank you for
And God
watching.
saw that it was good.
Lilfour here.